I recently started using the NACIFIC Sun Essence SPF 50 Plus, and it's quickly become a favorite in my skincare routine. This vegan sunscreen is an essence-type sun protection that combines the benefits of physical and chemical sunscreens, offering broad-spectrum protection against harmful UVA and UVB rays while being gentle on the skin. Pros: the texture of this sunscreen is fantastic. Lightweight, moisturizing, and hydrating. Even on days when I skip my regular moisturizer, my skin remains hydrated and doesn't feel dry at all. It absorbs quickly and leaves a skin-like finish with a subtle, dewy glow that appears about 10 minutes after application. The finish is perfect for colder seasons, giving my skin a healthy, radiant look without feeling greasy. Another standout feature is that it doesn't leave any white cast, which is often a concern with high SPF sunscreens. It's also a great base for makeup, blending seamlessly with other products and causing no pilling or greasiness by the end of the day. I didn't experience any irritation or stinging around my eyes, which is a huge plus for those with sensitive skin. The key ingredients, including niacinamide, white water lily, calendula flower extract, and longleaf pine leaf, provide additional skincare benefits like brightening and soothing, making this more than just a sunscreen. Cons: the only downside I found is the soft citrus fragrance. It's not overpowering and does fade quickly, but if you have sensitive skin or are sensitive to scents, this might be a consideration. Personally, I prefer fragrance-free products, so it took a little getting used to, but it didn't deter me from continuing to use it. Final thoughts. Overall, the NACIFIC Sun Essence SPF 50 Plus PA++ is an excellent choice for those looking for a lightweight, hydrating sunscreen that provides strong sun protection without a white cast. It's especially great during colder seasons for that dewy finish, though it might be a bit too glowy for the summer months. Despite the soft fragrance, I find it a wonderful addition to my skincare routine, and I'll definitely continue using it.